What is up, guys? Welcome back to a brand new video on the goddamn internet. And today we're gonna be talking about the Jones that was a whole ass situation for months, weeks. How long was that? Goddamn. Where it started over New Jersey, right? And it just spread fucking everywhere. Twitter was blowing up with like loads of footage of Jones. Everyone was talking about it. It was a really good time period. So everyone was just so confused and had conflicting opinions, and Ross Coulthard had like so many sources that told him different things. Like, it was just a clusterfuck of information. Yeah, I don't know, what do you guys think about it? But today we're going to be checking out some more into it. Make sure you subscribe, notifications on to not miss an upload, because we're the fastest growing, best YouTube commentary channel right now. So share, as this helps the absolute most. Like and comment, and without further ado, get your snacks, get your popcorn, and let's watch.
But is it anything, these drones, is it anything that people need to be worried
No, I think
about?
it's terrible. I would like to find out what it is and tell the people.
And can you commit to some kind of...
In fact, I'd like to do that. Could we find out what that was, Susie? Okay? Yeah, why don't we find out immediately? I mean, I can't imagine it's an enemy, or there would have been, people would have gotten blown up all over. Maybe they were testing things. I don't know why they wouldn't have said what it was. They had a lot of them flying over Bedminster, which is interesting, right?
And with the events today, and
So guys, you heard the Orange Man, the Trump Man, the MAGA Man. Susie, get the fucking files, get to work, and get to know what this was and slash is, and so we can let the public know, like good loyal public servants, right? So there actually came something of this incident, and I'm going to show you what the results was of Trump's inquiry into this, right? So guys, the press secretary of Donald Trump was asked about this, and she actually had a response. So make sure you check this out. Stay till the end of the video, because all the base content is put there.
And before I turn to questions, I do have news directly from the President of the United States that was just shared with me in the Oval Office. From President Trump directly, an update on the New Jersey...
So just straight up, she looks super uptight and bratty, right? Is it just me? Or she's just putting on that extra brave face, extra self-confident to because she's got this big job and she's trying to give off excellence like vibes. Like, do you see what I see? But she's kind of cute, right?
drones. After research and study, the drones that were flying over New Jersey in large numbers were authorized to be flown by the FAA for research and various other reasons. Many of these drones were also hobbyists, recreational, and private individuals that enjoy flying drones. In time, it got worse due to curiosity. This was not the enemy.
So that's the only response we're getting. Like, a little bit disappointing, right? Like, this is not our enemy, these are hobbyists. What the fuck, right? Such a low effort. Like, could it be any lower? Like, absolutely nothing here, just a big nothing burger. Quite disappointed. I hope this is not how Trump officially plans to dismiss this fucking ordeal, right? Was he threatened? Was he intimidated? What the fuck happened? Seems like a DOJ, DOD, like typical nothingness response, So you just know that my main man, Ross Coulthard, the best journalist alive today, was not happy with this, and he shot back. So check this out.
The FBI has been trying very hard to capture one of these drones. They've been trying to bring them down. They've been trying to find the source, and they've failed. So if somebody from the neighborhood was putting up just a standard drone, they've been doing it very cleverly, because the best resources of the US military and government have been unable to catch them. And that's why people are concerned. They describe objects that are 5 feet wide. In some cases, they appear to be changing their shape. They're doing all sorts of weird, anomalous things, and all the public want is answers, because they're concerned, whatever the government says and denies, they want answers, and they're concerned that it's a national security issue. And I noticed on the weekend, Senator Schumer, the former Senate Minority Leader, Democrat for New York, he also said the drones are back, and he too wants answers. He suggested the new president needs to explain what's really going on.
Yeah, a lot of people looking for that report that we were promised within that first day of being back in office. You bring up some video, some new images. There's this video that's been released, Ross, showing the glowing drones hover. We're playing it on the screen right now. Before moving, what do you and others in the UFO intelligence community conclude that these drones are and what they're doing? I get that we're not getting answers from the government, but what do your inside sources think?
Privately, people from government investigative agencies are telling me they have no explanation for these objects. They don't know what they are. And I find that quite incredible, because if you think about the hysteria that happened over the US in February 23 when a Chinese balloon flew across the continent, why is it that the government is so meek and mild now about what literally county mayors are saying is a nightly incursion of hundreds of objects that nobody can explain? It's the most extraordinary situation. And I think the public, particularly the tough-spoken people of New Jersey, they want answers.
So you know how New Jersey folk are, and Americans in general, right? I saw so many motherfucking posts of people wanting to shoot these things. And that's insane. Like, gotta love America, right? America, fuck yeah, I love that song. Eagle noises, right? All this and that. When Trump won the presidency, like on Twitter X, like Elon Musk and everywhere was just these Donald Trump and Elon Musk super edits of America transforming guns, like all this cool shit. It was really entertaining though. But also like this is pretty embarrassing to the three-letter agencies, FBI, police services, right? They tried catching these things and they could not accomplish that. They could not down one, they couldn't catch one. And this just leaves so many more questions. I think breeds more distrust in these institutions that are government, right? The free world requires more of their public servants. They do not want this secret keeping story going on, right? Deep state, etc. Like